Suzuki GSX1300R Hayabusa. Best Motorcycle Review. Legendary Straight Line Performance, 2007 to 2018. Suzuki have played around with the GSX1300R Hayabusa's styling without losing the original's looks and character. As a result, the new Suzuki Hayabusa looks really sleek. Engine capacity had increased and so has power and torque. Handling hasn't been significantly improved, more a gentle step forward. However, the brakes are a miles better, and about time. The Hayabusa officially went out of production in 2018 as it struggled to keep up with ever stricter emissions regulations in Europe. We expect to see a new Euro 5 model released in 2021. Ride quality and brakes. Not much has changed on the new Suzuki Hayabusa, same wheelbase, rake and trail. However, the shock and front forks have been upgraded and the swing arm strengthened. Thankfully, the Hayabusa's brakes are now radial and do an excellent of stopping the big girl, without any fade even on the track. As you expect from the Suzuki Hayabusa, you can't fling it around, but if you ride smoothly it's very rewarding and with a few tweaks makes a decent track motorcycle. Engine. The Suzuki Hayabusa has possibly the most powerful production engine on the market, alongside the Kawasaki ZZR1400. Suzuki are quoting 194 bhp and 115 ft-lb of torque for the Hayabusa. The motorcycle isn't restricted in the lower gears, its full power all the way to the 186 mph speed limiter. Reliability and build quality. Cosmetically, the Suzuki Hayabusa has been tweaked, especially the back end, and there's a noticeable difference in the quality of finish. I like the new look. The quality of finish is top shelf, paint is deep, much improved over the original Hayabusa. Being a Hayabusa, reliability is unquestionable. Value versus rivals. £9,000 for arguably the fastest production motorcycle on the planet. That will be enough to see the new Suzuki Hayabusa top the sales charts. Quality of finish has vastly improved, it looks sleeker, but still retains that essential Suzuki Hayabusa character. Find a Suzuki GSX1300R Hayabusa for sale. Equipment. Fully adjustable suspension front and rear comes as standard on the new Hayabusa, and like every new big Suzuki motorcycle, there's a 3-way power switch limiting power. It's not just a gimmick, you really notice the difference between the power modes, making the Hayabusa less of an animal than before. Specs. Engine size 1340 cubic centimeters. Engine type 16V transverse 4. Frame type Aluminium twin spar. Fuel capacity 21 liters. Seat height 805 millimeters. Bike weight 220 kilograms. Front suspension fully adjustable. Rear suspension fully adjustable. Front brake 2x310mm discs, 4-piston radial calipers. Rear brake 260mm disc with single piston. Front tire size 120/70x17. Rear tire size 190/50x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 45 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £230. New price. Used price £4,900 to £10,000. Insurance group 17 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 194 brake horsepower. Max torque 115 ft-lb. Top speed 186 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration 10.2 seconds. Tank range 180 miles.